Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back, and to the new subscribers, you are very much welcome. On this particular video guys, I want to share with you how to pick a particular niche on YouTube. Okay, you really need to pick the right niche on YouTube in this year 2025 to avoid you doing things wrongly, or to avoid you even getting demotivated. Okay, you really wouldn't want to start something and in the long run you give up on it. That's not really a nice thing to do. So before you start, you really need to make everything prepared. You really need to know what you want to do, how you want to achieve it, and when you actually want to start. Okay, so it's not just about creating a YouTube channel, it's not just about getting camera ready, but what niche do you actually want to work with? Where are you niching down to? Do you want to go into the finance section niche? Do you want to go into the entertainment niche? Name it guys, there are lots of niches for you to pick out from. Okay, it's just left for you to know the one you actually want to work with. So guys, I believe we all know what a niche is, but if you really don't know, niche is I really don't know how I want to explain what a niche is, but in a very simple term, if you're someone that love dancing, right? If you're someone that love dancing and you really want the whole world to see, you want a larger audience aside your family and friends to see, right? Then you try to set the camera and you start dancing in front of the camera. Then you upload a video either on Facebook, either on TikTok, or YouTube, or Instagram. Okay, whatever social media platform you want to use to make the world see what you can actually do, right? That is your niche, what you love doing. That is where you stand for, what you stand for. Okay, that means you are into the entertainment sector, you are into the entertainment niche. Okay, you love dancing. Entertainment is a very broad niche. Yes guys, it is really broad. So you picking dancing, you love dancing, right? I am someone that I love I love it when people do things because they actually love to do it. You're not doing it because you feel you're definitely going to earn a lot from this thing, and you just want to start. If in the long run you don't earn as much as you expected, you're going to give up, or you're definitely going to burn out. Okay, so niche for me is you have passion for that thing, because it is someone. Imagine going to someone and they'll ask you what you love doing. You tell them you love dancing, and they'll tell you start creating dance videos. They're not going to tell you then start writing. No, because you love dancing, they'll tell you create dance videos. That's the first thing to work with. Then as time goes on, you can now start thinking that, oh, I can do this, oh, I can add this to this. You understand guys? So niching down means doing what you love, staying in that particular community you love. Okay, niche is like a community, it's like a whole city. And then there are different communities in this world, called niche. All right, that's it guys. So this is me trying to tell you, you can actually pick the right niche for you. Not every niche is for you. Okay, first of all, you start with passion. All right, know what you love doing. So I have key pointers here that will help you pick the right niche. So when you start a YouTube channel, focus on one set of audience. You can be sure to get a lot of growth quickly, right? That's the number one advantage of getting a niche. Okay, imagine you are a dancer, right? You start dancing and you are doing, after dancing, the next video you're uploading is about cooking. All right guys, imagine you are dancing, right? You've uploaded a video about dancing, then you now move to cooking, the next video. Then the third video you're going to uploading on your YouTube channel will be about you broadcasting, more like telling us what's happening in this particular city. You're just going on and on with different videos that are not relating to the previous ones you posted. Okay, you're definitely not going to get the right target audience with that. You really need to get one set of audience, as this will help you grow faster. Now don't get me wrong, you can actually get different videos together in a particular YouTube channel, right? So if A is interested in what you're doing, A will come. If B is interested in another thing that you're doing, B will come. Okay, that's now you gathering different communities, different people with different what's it called? With different what's the word now, guys? With different interests. Yes, so that's you getting different people with different interests, but your growth is definitely going to be slow. Now don't get me wrong, like I said, it's not possible, but it is definitely going to be slow. So for a new YouTuber, someone that wants to get a very good growth rate, do well to be focused on one set of audience. And how can you get that? You can only get that by niching down. You really need to get a particular niche that will work for you. So the next key point here is, if you then decide to focus on different things in one channel, you definitely will grow, just like I said, but you will grow slowly. Okay, it's going to be really, really slow. So now, guys, let's move on to the main thing: picking the right niche. Number one, you start with something you are passionate about. I really don't know how I'm going to make that so elaborate for you all to understand. You really need to be passionate about something before you start. Okay, after which you get to do your research to check on other creators. Okay, you really need to check on other creators. You need to know how they are actually doing it, because you are a new person on that space. So you need to understand, oh, this is how this person is doing this is how this other person is doing this. Okay, I can actually do mine like this, right? And it will work. It's possible. I mean, no one is an island. You need to learn. If you think you know it all, trust me, guys, you really don't know it all. You're going to see someone that knows way better than you and is actually doing way better than you. Sometimes you even feel, oh, I can do more than this person, but this person has a technique that you do not know about. Okay, so that's why it's very good to make a research, gather facts, then you work with them. Okay, so the third on our list, guys, is what kind of views do these particular creators get, right? How is their engagement going? So this is still based on what I just talked about. Okay, that's why you need to do your research. You need to know how this person's video is growing and how this other person's video is growing. What's different about this particular person's own, and what's different or what's looking same that is not actually working for this one and is working for this one. Okay, guys, these are very important. You really need to know all of this before you start. All right, so another thing to remember is, it is basically about striking a balance in what you're passionate about and what has the most potential for the most growth. Understand it, guys. It is basically about striking a balance in what you are passionate about and what has the most potential for the most growth. Because I mean, we're all after growth at the end of everything. If you're doing all of this and you're not growing, you're not going to be happy with yourself. You're definitely going to stop. All right, so have that passion for it. Okay, it is important. And guys, before you know what's happening, you're going to see your growth and you're going to be marveled at it. You're going to love it. All right, so that's it for that. I will be sharing with you 4 niches that you might consider. Trust me, guys, when I say there are a whole lot of niches that you really don't even know exist, except you come across people's video, you be like, oh, this thing. Do you actually know that there's a particular niche? It's still under entertainment, like the whole daily vlogging thing. The people that vlog, if you feel, oh, I can't actually talk in front of the camera, the people that vlog, guys, there is this lady, I've forgotten her name, but if I remember, I'm going to put her channel name in this particular video. She is an amazing vlogger. Like, guys, she gives us sneaky peeks about her day. But I don't think I've heard this lady talk. She doesn't talk in her video. I mean, the background music does everything. Then the write-ups. Yourself, you really don't know how you're going to be following up, but you're going to be enjoying it. It is amazing. So if you think you cannot talk, you're shy, then trust me, that's not even an excuse again, because voiceless vlogs are doing it. Vlogs are doing it, and that's another niche you can actually venture into. If you're someone that has lots and lots of activities in a day, set your camera and do the thing. Just, show us sneaky pics. Just, you might not give us everything, all right, but just give us bit by bit, and edit them, come bring them together. I have a video of editing apps that you can actually use to edit your video and create new videos, and make your video look really beautiful, in as much as you don't have all of it, like all the necessary equipment that you need for creating a video and editing a video. We have free apps. We have free quality apps that will actually help you work and make your work look sweet, right? So there is no excuse. The only excuse is you right now, because you're really not ready to start. Yes. So guys, that's it. I will be sharing with you four niches or niche that I believe you can actually venture into. So guys, number one, we have comedy, right? Entertainment, basically. Entertainment is broad. You can under entertainment, you can have the comedy, you can have the movies, you can have the gist, you can have what's it called? The pranks. You can have entertainment is broad, guys. So on this entertainment, we're going to talk about comedy, we're going to talk about movies. If you're someone that know how to, this comedy skits, we watch the likes of Brain Jota, um, Funny Ima, Sabinus, comedy, right? These are people you can look up to. You watch their videos, you laugh, you see comments, you see the engagements, and like people enjoy it. I mean, if you're in this part of the world, you really need something that will keep you going. Like, if you're having a bad day, if you're having a stressful day, you can just, grab your phone and see one or two videos, and before you know, the stress has been relieved in one way or the other. So many people, majority, love comedy. People love things that will make them laugh because it keeps them going, right? So guys, that is one. If you're a fun person, then cut the chase, guys. Do how to start the rightful thing, which is creating a video. I mean, create a video. It's easier to actually gain. I was saying, guys, those the comedy parts, mostly entertainment, they're easier to gain subscribers. Gosh, they're easier to get subscribers, okay? Because people love things like that. So it is very easy to get subscribers from entertainment niche, just as it's not very easy to get subscribers from finance niche. Because guys, in as much as finance pays a lot, I mean, it pays a lot, you can't beat it anywhere. It pays, right? But it is hard to grow it. Okay, you need patience at the highest level, at the highest order. You need it. But once you've gotten to that top, no one can bring you down. So guys, entertainment niche, comedy works. The movie, you can give movie reviews, you can give movie updates. That works too, okay? Then the next I have on my list is celebrity gossip. Still on entertainment. Like I said, entertainment is broad. Cooking, cooking niche. Do I say it's under entertainment? Because I mean, people watch that for fun too, and people watch that to learn. So it's still under entertainment and also under tutorial. Okay, so cooking niches. If you know how to cook, if you know how to, create recipes, you can just create a channel and be dishing that out there for people to see. All right, and before you know, people are going to subscribe. You're going to have a very large community, and they're going to love what you do because you are true. Okay, then the next one I can see on my list is tech. All right, this gives a whole lot of money, guys. Tech is another underrated niche that people do not know about, but people love tech. Okay, you get to review gadgets and the likes. You get to give feedback. If you've gotten the product or you bought a product, you can give us a feedback on it. How useful is this thing to us? Is it really what they say it is? Is it working as much as they have said it's definitely going to work, right? Once you really hit the top with this, my people, forget it. I beg, once you really reach the top with this particular one, do not forget me because it is cool. Let me stop there. All right. Then we have the tutorial thing, the finance thing, teaching people how to make money online, the likes of crypto, digital marketing, and so on, guys. It is an amazing niche. It also includes the finance niche generally. All right. So summary here, guys, is there are lots of niches, a whole lot, that you really don't know about. We have the daily vlogging, we have the a day in my life, we have the get ready with me, we have a whole lot of niche that people might not even know it's a niche, okay, but it is a very nice niche. So there are a whole lot, guys. So you just need to make a decision on which niche you will love to venture into. I really do hope you got value from this particular video. Do well to give this video a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it, as well as the next video idea you really would want me to work on. So guys, this is it about this video. Do well to give this video a thumbs up, right? That's my call to action in place. And also click the subscribe button if you haven't, so as not to miss out on new video content creation and video ideas that I will be dishing out on this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.